Once upon a time in a lush forest, there lived a special parrot named Dr. Polly. Dr. Polly was the only bird doctor in the forest, with the ability to heal and help all the animals in need. Despite having the advantage of being a skilled doctor, Dr. Polly always used this status to benefit others, never harming or taking advantage of them. The animals in the forest loved and respected Dr. Polly for its kindness and compassion, and so Dr. Polly lived happily ever after, teaching everyone that using one's advantages for good is the most important thing of all. The end.